Today is a bright and happy morning at Brightwood Primary School. The children gather in the schoolyard, excited for the cultural fair. Their teacher smiles and says, "Today we will share the beautiful things that make each of us special." The children listen carefully. Maya shows her bright red outfit from her family's culture. She twirls proudly as her friends clap. Amir brings a plate of sweet treats. The children taste them and say the treats are delicious. Lena shows a colorful dance she learned from her grandmother. The children cheer as she moves gently. Ken displays a handmade paper lantern from his family tradition. Everyone says it looks bright and beautiful. A small misunderstanding happens. Two children want their booths in the same place. They feel upset. The teacher kneels beside them and says, "Every culture matters. We can make space for each other." The children take a deep breath and agree to share the space. They smile again and work together. Soon the whole fair fills with music, colors, and laughter. Each booth shines with something special. The teacher says, "When we respect our differences, we make room for peace and joy." The children share stories of their families. They learn new words, games, and songs from one another. Each child feels proud of who they are and thankful for their friends. The fair becomes a place of unity. Together, they whisper, "We are all different, and that makes us wonderful." All the children and their teachers stand together, smiling proudly.